Okay, in this lesson we are going to understand about which one? Named arguments. What are the named arguments exactly? Named arguments means we can change the order of passing the values to the arguments. We can change order of passing the values to the arguments. By default, we have to supply the values to the method in the same order how they have already defined. But with the help of named arguments, we are able to change the order of passing the values to the arguments. What exactly the meaning of this? Let us try to understand in the program. So suppose we have add is a method and we have a and b, two arguments we have defined. Some implementation we are going to define here. In this example, while calling that add method, we must supply two values. For example, I am going to pass 10 and 20. What exactly happens? Based on the order of arguments only the values are taken. That means 10 will be taken into A, 20 will be taken into B. Now, what is the value of A? 10. What is the value of B? 20 will get. Okay, this process is very clear for us. But with the help of named arguments, we are able to change the order of these values. Those values will be same only, but these order can be changed. For example, I am going to give add of B colon 10, A colon 20. We are going to provide which one? B colon 10, A colon 20 we have provided. So at that time, what happens exactly? What value will be given to which one? Based on this specification only will be performed. That 10 will be going to which one? B. The value 10 will go to which one? B. Why? Because you have mentioned clearly B colon 10. That means what? The value 10 should go to which one? B. So this 10 will go to B. At that time the position of B, the order doesn't matter. The B may be present here or here or here, maybe in any place. The order doesn't matter. Exactly where that B, that name is matching, to that place it will go. That's why the B value is now 10. Same like that, 20 will go to which one now? A. So 20 just go to A. Now the value is what? A value 20. Finally A value 20 and B value 10. So this order has been changed, but this order not changed. So while calling the method, while passing arguments to that particular method, if we want to change the order of arguments, then we have to go for which one? Named arguments. Okay, now we are checking named arguments example. So we have a class called sample. In this sample class, we have a method and it is having two arguments, x comma y. We are going to display the x value and y value also we are going to display. After printing the x value and y value, we are going to display some empty line. Okay. Now in the test class, we are making an object for the sample class. First a reference variable, then we have to create object, then we can call the method through the reference variable. But you must supply two arguments x and y. For example, I am making a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and I am giving a comma b here. What happens now? A value will be copied into x, that is b value will be copied into y. Then what is the output you can expect here? 10 and 20 you can expect here. So if we can run this program, so we got the output 10 and 20. Okay, now, but I want to change order of arguments while calling the values. So that means y colon a, x colon b. What happens now? A value will be copied into Y. What is the A value now? 10. 10 will be given to Y. So here in the Y, 10 will be stored. So if you print the value of Y, what is the output? It will get 10 only. And B value will be copied into X. That is, B value is what? 20. 20 will be copied into X. So now X value is what? 20. So if you print the value of X, what is the output? You will get 20. Previously output was 10 and 20. Now the output is 20 and 10. Previously we are passing the values based on the order. First value into first argument, second value into second argument. But here, instead of passing the values based on the arguments, we are going to pass the values through named arguments. Based on the name only, we are going to supply the values to the arguments. That is the meaning of named arguments. Now check it. We got a 20 and 10 as output.